What's up, guys? Welcome to 12M Hustle. Let's get into it. Welcome to the live show on 12M Hustle. Let's get into the live show pre-market. So we're going to jump into Bitcoin. So yesterday did not trade it, but the day before had the game plan. Been having this trend line that we've gotten out of this downtrend on Bitcoin. And I had said anything below Asia. This was Sunday. Anything below Asia, I had said you need to hit that and get your short right. Anything above this 110 you need to go long, which you got on Monday actually, and then you also got it on Tuesday. So still that Asia low was held, so anything above that was a long, and that got paid. Today the game plan is going to be the same thing on Bitcoin. I would say anything below this previous day low, go short, right? And anything above this 109, go long, looking for a target at 110, 350. So that would be my game plan for Bitcoin. Hope you guys are having a blessed one, by the way. It's a great morning. Bless, bless, bless. Today is Wednesday, August 22. Let's see, we have any news today? I don't think we have any news today. Let's jump into that real quick. So Wednesday we have a little bit of crude oil. If you're trading some oil, coming up at 7:30. Oil news coming up, and then it looks like that is about it. We got news coming up tomorrow. Chicago Fed, and I believe we are still in a government shutdown. So just keep that in mind. Now let's jump into ES. The ES. So the ES. It's going to be, game plan was pretty simple from Monday. Didn't really just didn't do the live show yesterday. I did trade NQ, but I just didn't do the live show. But ES was on Monday. I had said anything below Asia low was going to be a short, right? Anything above Asia high and London high was a long, and boom, look at that. Just straight to the game plan. You got your targets. Your first target was 67.69. You didn't get your last target, which was 6,800, but you did get your target off there. You could have been risking the London low. So that was to the T. Looks like yesterday was a little bit choppy, a little bit on ES. Could have took a couple scalps, but no, I didn't come on here and do any game plan for that. Did not trade the ES yesterday, but today's game plan is simple. Anything above previous day high on ES, anything above 670.92, I'd be looking for a long, targeting 6,800. Short little long scalp. For the long, anything below previous day low, I would be targeting previous day low. I would be anything below 67.59. I would be targeting 67.39. Would be targeting 67.39 on the ES. So that is the game plan for that. Let's look at that Dow Jones. Everybody knows about that Dow Jones. Let's get into it. So on the Dow Jones, Monday I had said anything above 46,576 was a long, and look at that, to the money, right? To the money, you got that long money paid on Monday. Anything below Asia low was a short. Below 46,320 did not happen. So, and then Tuesday, you still could have kept, if you would have swung that long for Monday, you still would be even getting paid more trailing it. Now let's do this. So for today, game plan is I would not short the Dow until, if you want a good risk reward, I would not short Dow until under 4700 or 47,086. I would not short it till under here, till under Asia low, London low, having a stop at the top of these Asia high and London high, but I would not go long until we broke out above previous day high to feel confident in the long. So today's setup on the Dow would be a short. Anything below this, shorting, targeting 46,917, 46,884, previous day low, which is 46,815. So that would be the game plan for the Dow Jones. For the Russell 2000. These are the micros, by the way. So Russell 2000, M2K. Like I had said on Monday, anything below Asia low was going to be a short. You didn't get it. Anything above this 2479 line was going to be a long, and you got paid on Monday. Now, you could have trailed it, could have, sold the next day, still would have got paid. Would have came back to your entrance yesterday. So for today, I need to see on the Russell, anything above yesterday's open of 2,500, I would take a long, targeting previous day high, which is 25.19. But anything below previous day high, and pay very close attention, anything below previous day high, I would go short. My first target would be 24.79. And if this holds, I would get the hell out. I would trail it. But if it doesn't hold, my next target on this bad boy is going to be down here. It's going to be 24.70. 24.70. Next target out over there is going to be 24.45. Okay? So just keep that in mind for the Russell. For the Russell. So the last one not bit is going to be our bad boy NQ. Our bad boy NQ. It's our bad boy. Okay. NQ. I might even look at oil for you guys real quick. Let me see. So let's do NQ. So NQ, we had traded it long, boom, boom. We got paid. We talked about that on Monday. Yesterday was quick scalps, kind of choppy throughout the day. We chopped, we took a short off the open, and then we took another short off that breaking of these lows, and then we covered that previous day low. We got our target and we got out, and we also were at a pivot of 25.189. Now, the next thing on the NQ is going to be this for today. I need to see above yesterday's open, above this 25.281 level for me to go long, targeting previous day high, targeting 25.389. Right, that'd be my first target. As a long on NQ today, I need to see it pop above this. Now, below it, to short this bad boy, I need to see below previous day low. I need to see it break 25.200, and I'll be targeting down here. I'm targeting that bad boy down there. That's going to be the game plan right there. For sure, I'll be targeting this bad boy here. I'll be targeting 25.086 as the target. Possible trailer is 25.027. This is going to be for NQ. Now, let me pull up oil for you guys. I have not been watching oil, but I do love to trade it, so I will pull that up for you guys. So oil is kind of a trailing market, so usually I tell people just to, if you're going to trade it, it's a, leave a TP and leave a stop loss on there. What time is it? 5:49, so pretty early today. And then, so I would say anything above, let's see, pretty simple how I draw my levels. You can do them like this, and I just go, you can go on a 4 hour. 4 hour gives you a pretty clean level. I know everyone's like, oh, it's bias. Everyone has different levels. I mean, if it's going to go up, it's going to go up, right? You're just using your levels to kind of build your confluence, build your bias, So, of course, everyone's going to have different levels, but this is how I do it. Works for me, keeps it simple. So, anyways, here's the game plan. Pretty simple on today on oil. Looks like we are coming out of a downtrend overall on oil. It looks like we're trying to make back up into a bull trendish. I would go long. Anything above previous day high would be a long for me, right? And he pops down, I would take long, and I would leave stops on oil because I know it likes to trail sometimes wick at 57.97. I would not take a short on oil until we break 57.65, and I would be targeting either Asia low, which is 57.34, or I would be targeting previous open 57.17 would be the game plan for that. So this would be the game plan for oil, and then possibly if we keep selling off 56.92, and of course your biggest target would be previous day low, which was 56.34. So this would be a game plan on oil, continuation to the upside, be targeting long, take bounces off. Oil opens at 6, so it's about to open in 10 minutes. 6 a.m. PST time, by the way. I would take 58.96 as that long, and I would take out 59, pretty much 60, or actually 59.57 as a long. I would take out for possible targets. So that would be the game plan for oil. Do know that oil does have news today, I believe. Yep, oil does have news today at 7:30, so I would stay out of the market at 7:30 PST time, so you don't get wigged out and get smoked on oil. Okay, hope you guys enjoyed. Love the show. Trying to keep these short, trying to make them a little bit earlier for you guys. But hope you guys like the show. Make sure you guys comment, like, hope this helps out. I usually post my trades or my executions on shorts now. Just quick, you guys can see the charts, stuff like that. All right, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Shoot me a DM. I'm here to help. But hope you guys have a blessed Wednesday. Keep that risk in check, and let's go. Peace.